I have been told that you were having some difficulty accessing my work, so I was going to do a quick video to show you how to get to my work. So first of all, from iReady, you go to Canvas. His course will look something similar to that. Click on that course. He would go to follow the arrow. He would go to YVA Daily Student Work. Click on Student because that's the hyperlink. Scroll down. This is his Science Interactive Notebook. His notebook should look just like this. There's a picture. He should draw it. Vocabulary, questions, foldables, what's in the foldables, how to make foldables, another foldable with what it'll look like on the outside, what the inside should look like, charts that students fill in. This one is on air masses and fronts. Okay. If you scroll down from the beginning of school, I have work. I did not use announcements first because I thought it would be simpler for students just to scroll down and be able to find their work. But because Mr. Carr, Miss Cave, and Miss Atkins use announcements, then I started using them. Okay, if we have a Zoom, it will be hyperlinked with the word Zoom. We have Zooms on Tuesday at 10:45 and on Fridays by appointment. Okay, there's the link that you join Quizlet. Anything that's blue and underlined is typically a hyperlink. Okay, I'll do a separate video on how to join BrainPop. All right, so like I said, I started doing announcements. So with this, it's very simplistic. You click on the link to see your daily instructions. I'll show you what that looks like for today. You click on that. Basically, it says that you're going to do Apex Weather, pages 10 to 15. You're going to write the guiding questions in your science notebook. They can be found in the virtual notebook, slide 22. Second, you go to Apex Weather, pages 10 through 15. You read or listen to the information to answer the questions. Third, if you're unfamiliar with any vocabulary that's not in the questions, please add it to your notebook. All right, the next thing I want to show you is how to get to my Apex course. My screen will not look like yours because I do not have a student view Apex, okay? So you go to Clever. You click on Clever, then you scroll down to find Apex. Okay, virtual. His will actually have MS Science. It will be up here in the tutorials. He would click on MS Science. What's going to come up will be the modules that we are going to be doing. Okay, the first module we did was the atmosphere, hydrosphere, and cryosphere. At the beginning of any of these modules, there is a pretest, and they must take the pretest before they can move on. Typically, the atmosphere module, you click on, they're all set up like this. We do the learn it, then the try it, the review it, and the test it. The test it is only an information used in these modules, and they can use their notes for any of this stuff, okay? So if we click on this, this was 17 pages. I typically do not assign 17 pages of work at one time. This is broken up into daily assignments. Okay, the next module we did would have been fresh water and ice. This is where we talked about fresh water. We talked about how water gets into the atmosphere and how water and sun drive the cycle the rain cycle, okay? And then we talked about oceans. Again, with each of these, there's the learn it, the try it, the review it, the test it. Again, I assigned parts of this or pages each day with activities to do based on those topics that we were studying. Okay, after that, we did oceans, and then there was a post-test. We are now in weather and climate. We are, again, there is a pre-test. We have been working in this for a few days. We are now at pages 10 through 15, and the questions that you saw on slide 22 go along with pages 10 through 15 in this. As you're working through this, there are videos. There are also interactives. Not necessarily interactives, but there's things to, well, here are some drag and drop activities. There are, in this with the cold front, it shows the animation of the cold front. It also describes what's going to happen, what kind of weather we're going to have from a cold front. You click on warm front. Again, it gives you information and animation, occluded front, information about it, and animation, and stationary front, animation, and information. So I hope this helps you. I will do a separate video on BrainPop. Have a great day. Thank you.